Hey, welcome to a LEVO gummy tutorial. This is going to be a big video on all things gummies. I have some peach gummies here, and we are going to be making a new set of gummies, some strawberry lemonade gummies, with our brand new gummy mixer, which is right here. It is a gummy mixer machine, and we're going to go into the details of how you do that. I have my cannabis infused oil right here. This was made with flower buds versus shake. And let's get started. All right, I want to introduce you to some of the tools we're going to be using. This is our infusion sprayer, and you can see it's got a beautiful glittery shimmer. That's because we're going to be decorating our gummies today. That was made with our infusion shimmer. And then we also have gummy glitter that we're going to be using. And I also want to show you these brand new sour gummy sugars. These taste like pixie sticks. We have them in a watermelon sour sugar. This is blue raspberry. And then we just have unflavored. This is going to be like the most sour of them all. The other two are definitely more sweet. These are great for unsticking your gummies, like when you take them out of the molds and they're all sticky together. These will keep them unstuck, and they're just delicious. I have some coconut oil here. I used MCT oil to infuse my flour to make my gummies. And we also have a LEVO coconut avocado oil blend. This is MCT oil and avocado oil. Avocado has the highest smoke point of all these oils, so this one's especially great for like savory cooking. It doesn't really have a flavor though. Coconut oil is fantastic when you want a coconutty taste. This is organic, virgin, unrefined coconut oil. And MCT oil is wonderful when you want to make something with no added flavor. MCT oil has no flavor, no smell. Even though it's derived from coconut, it does not smell like that. And you can see it's clear. And you can see after infusing with my LEVO, this was made in a LEVO 2, I have a beautiful golden amber color oil that isn't dark. It doesn't taste like grass because of LEVO's potted filtration system. And it's just like a beautiful color, beautiful taste. And then of course I want to show you today our new gummy mixer. This is a gummy edible mixer. It is so easy. These are the directions. It's right here. It comes with a base and the mixer itself. It comes with a little spinner. It actually comes with two of these spinners. The other one can be stored on the back. And I'm going to show you how to make your gummies with that. Really, really simple. We're going to be taking our gummy mix, strawberry lemonade gummy mix, or maybe I'll do a different flavor. You put the mix in, you put the water in, you press this button right here, just tap it once. It's going to heat at the ideal temperature, and at the end it's going to start mixing. Then you're going to take the lid off, hold the button for 3 seconds, and slowly add in your oil. I like to run this last cycle a few times to make sure that my oil is completely mixed in my gummy mix. As you know, if you've done gummy mixes on the stovetop, mixing it's not hard, it's just arduous and tedious and can make your arm a little tired. So what I like to do is once the mix is in with the water, it's been heated, it's been boiled, and then I'm going to add my at least 4 tablespoons of oil in. I'm going to take a knife, stir it around, and press this button as many times as it takes so that I don't see a layer of oil sitting on top of my mix anymore, and you'll see what that's like. All right, and then once we have our gummies made, like these peach gummies that I actually put infusion shimmer and glitter into while I was mixing, which is why they're so nice and opaque, I am going to show you how to decorate them. We can put some glitter on them, sour sugars, and then I want to show you how to take our heat sealer kit. This little heat sealer comes in this box. Press this button and it turns on. This part will not be hot until you squeeze it. It kind of pushes in until you squeeze it. And what we're going to do, we have 2 sizes of these heat sealer bags that come in the LEVO Sharing is Caring kit. I like to put 3, 4, 5 gummies in the small size bag, take this heat sealer and seal them up as a way to store them and hand them out to my friends. You could also fit like a whole tray of gummies in this larger bag, which you can see here. It seals the top so that they cannot escape. And I'm going to show you how this works at the end. So these gummies have been cooled in my fridge, and these are the gummies that I did that scraper method to. I just kind of used my gummy mixer right here and poured everything out as you saw, scraped it, and now you might be thinking, oh, well, that's all great, but look at this mess. But actually, once it cools, I mean, how fantastic and satisfying is this? Because it's just nonstick silicone, this just comes right off. I mean, and then you've got like another gummies edibles worth to eat right here. So even though it does seem like it's going to be a mess, it's really not too bad. It's incredibly satisfying if you're into this kind of thing. And check that out. So I'm just going to peel this and we'll pop out some gummies and start decorating. All right, now that this is pretty clean, I want to show you some different ways that I like to decorate my gummies. So here you can see I have the gummy glitter and the infusion shimmer. And then just as a reminder, infusion shimmer is great to put in your liquid oil. You can spray this with the infusion sprayer. You pump the cap, and then it's just a reusable spray bottle here. So that is the infusion shimmer, and then you can see it's maybe a little hard to see, but these gummies, these are peach. I put infusion shimmer and gummy glitter in the actual mix, so they have a slight sparkle to them. But let's see, I'll use both so you can see peach and raspberry here. Let's see what happens when I add some gummy glitter. You can see this is 100% edible gold. And then I just like to toss them around. You can also do this in a Ziploc baggie. You can be as generous or sparing as you like. And you can even use a paintbrush. You can dip the paintbrush into the gummy glitter. And again, on our YouTube channel, we have whole videos dedicated to like using the gummy glitter in different ways. And you can see this one got a little bit more on it. This one got a little bit less. Here is how it looks on that yellow, which is so pretty. So pretty. And I didn't do too much because I want to see what will happen if maybe I also use some of my sour gummy watermelon powder. Let's see here. And again, this tastes like pixie sticks. It is great for coating your gummies so that they don't stick to each other. Because as you can see, these fresh gummies that I just made are still very fresh. They are still quite sticky, whereas these peach ones I had out of the molds. They're still squishy, but I had them out of the molds and sitting in my fridge in a Tupperware for a few days, so they are not as sticky anymore. So check that out. So these are my infused raspberry sour watermelon coated gummies. And let's see, and these peach ones, as I said, they're not as sticky, but it definitely still helps. Now, because that gold was on there already, that is why these aren't looking so pink. That one kind of is. That one didn't have as much gold on it. Let's see here. I'm gonna pop these out. Just leave them right here so you can see them. And let's try some more decorating methods. I'm gonna pop these out here. Look how cute they are. And let's do all sour powder so we can see what happens when there is no gummy glitter or infusion shimmer in the bowl. I just want to make sure I'm getting the bottoms of these coated. You can see a little really goes a long way. These are going to last a good amount of time. They are super delicious. And then you can see here, now they are not sticking to each other. And I can save these in a Tupperware in the fridge. They will last months and still be potent. Let's continue having some fun with these. I'm gonna put some of my blue sour powder in this little guy. And for this one, I'm gonna do some of the unflavored sour powder. It's just white, and maybe white and gold. Ooh, and again, a little really goes a long way with both the sour sugars and the glitter. I have been using this edible glitter for months, so it seems tiny, but it lasts forever. And again, to show you, you totally can use this shimmer on your gummies. Let me see here. I wonder if it does. It makes them pearly. Maybe that's a little hard to see. Honestly, you could even use this as body glitter and body shimmer on an infused body oil, or maybe it's a lavender body oil, but it really does add a beautiful shimmer. So let's pop these babies out. And again, these are super sticky because I just made them. And again, our gummy mixes are all natural color and flavor on all the mixes. Oh, it's so sticky it won't even go around. There we go. So this one is the unflavored sour powder with gold, a little bit of gold mixed in there. And let's see, and they absolutely are sparkly. So that is fun. These are like a candy coated gummy. These are gonna be super delicious. Oh, the bottom got like really golden actually. Oh, how fun is that? And it is glitter. It's gonna get all over your hands if you're using your hands. And then let me toss these ones in the blue raspberry. So this is our raspberry gummy mix with blue raspberry on them. The all natural raspberry sherbet gummy mix is not so sour, but then the sour gummy sugar is a little sour, but it's more of a sweet gummy, I would say. And I am not taste testing these as much as I would like to because they are actually infused, and for me, one gummy is enough. Look how cute these are. This. Oh, they're so sweet. Isn't that fun?